Assalamu alaikum. So now this video is on how to bypass passcode or disable device for free while the IFRP server is down. So these are alternative tools you can use. Just open the tools. First, you jailbreak your phone. So after jailbreak, you can use this free Windows tools to bypass the passcode. While doing this, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just close this. So now connect the phone. Wait for it to get detected. After it's detected, you can just click on the backup passcode. Now the phone has been detected, so click on backup data. So now just click on yes since the backup is complete. You can see 100% success. So just click on yes to wipe your phone. You can see the device is wiping. So you can see use this. So you can just you have to you have to jailbreak the phone, but before the jailbreak, because before the jailbreak you can connect to network, that is your hotspot. You connect to it. So let the tools open. Then once the tools open, you connect it to your system. So you can see the tools has opened. So now just connect it to the system. Done. So what you have to do is to restart the system, the phone. Just restart it, turn it off, then turn it back and remove the card. So once you restart the phone, once the phone come up, then you set it up. So now I set it up. You can see it has bypassed. So it has bypassed. So thanks for watching the video. It has bypassed you can use your SIM card, and this method is untriggered. Let's insert SIM card and you see it. If you want to change the wallpaper, you can come here to change it.